In this video, we'll teach you everything you need to know about how to join the Temu Influencer Program. So starting off, launch a browser and head over to your search engine to search for Temu Influencer Program. You will be redirected to the homepage of Temu Influencer Program. To join, you can easily scan this QR icon right here. Now, it is pretty easy to join the Temu Influencer Program. You will see this big red button that pops Join the Program. Just head over and select the option. Now next step is to sign in. After you enter your email address, you will get to select a product category that aligns with your content and interest. If you are actively working on your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, you can easily add your social media link. It is to connect your social media account where all your followers, friends can see your views. Now, once you become an influencer, views, likes, and share are your best friends. That is how you will really monetize through your content. Now, the most important step here is to be approved by Temu. Temu will review your application to make sure that your social media profiles showcase your creativity and passion for creating quality content. Once you get approved, you will have access to your influencer dashboard. Here you can find various campaigns Temu offers, such as product campaign where you can use a provided budget to order product for review and content creation, and online campaigns where you can create content using digital resources without receiving physical product. Make sure that you create an engaging content and track your performance to earn. As I said, views, likes, and share are your best friend now. Joining the Temu Influencer Program is a fantastic opportunity to share your product, find, connect with a wider audience, and potentially earn a significant income. So if you are ready to level up your social media game and discover amazing product, be sure to check out the Temu Influencer Program today. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.